Welcome to my YouTube channel. What is Arduino? Arduino is a microprocessor developed by Atmel Company. It can receive input, process, and release output. It contains a memory as well. Therefore, the board is similar to the basics of a computer. Arduino board contains the following: 1 mini USB, 2 power regulator, 3 DC power, 4 power pins, 5 analog, 6 Omega 328P, 7 digital pins. Parts of Arduino board: 1 mini USB, connects to computer. 2 electric controller, controls the voltage to the microprocessor base kit. 3 DC power supply. Arduino microprocessor requires 5V power for it to function. It is taken from the computer. If power supply is insufficient, an external source can be used with this port. For power pins are used to provide electricity power from the board to an external circuit. It is also necessary to control some operations. 5 analog pins, used to send analog inputs to the board. 6 Omega 328P. This is a microcontroller chip available in Arduino Uno board. Atmel Company has produced it. 7 digital pins, used with digital input, output. A few Arduino boards used today are shown below: Arduino Uno board, Arduino Mega board, Arduino Nano board, Arduino Micro board. This unit is about Arduino Uno and its uses.